Welcome to Dad.org. Dad.org is a platform for buying and selling anything, anywhere, anytime. So, making money the really easy way. In fact, it's easier than falling asleep.
It's swift, secure and easy. Dad.org, transforming lives.
Bonjour, docteur Tedros, monsieur le directeur général, c'est un plaisir de communiquer avec vous.
Thank you, Your Excellency, and very nice to talk to you too. You remember the last time we met face to face was in February on the margins of the African Union in February 2019, and we had a very productive discussion. And of course, not face to face this time, virtually, but very glad to see you again.
Également, j'ai un bon souvenir de notre rencontre quand on était à Addis Abeba. Effectivement, nous avons beaucoup de projets pour améliorer la santé des Malagasy. Actuellement, je tiens à vous dire que on travaille beaucoup avec l'OMS. Depuis que je suis à la tête du pays, l'année dernière, nous avons pu éradiquer en grande partie la rougeole à Madagascar.
Yes, no, thank you so much. What was clear during our meeting was your commitment to health. And I was very appreciative of that. And I know and I remember how directly you were engaged to stop the measles outbreak. And that was completed with success. And thank you so much for your leadership on the measles outbreak, which really helped in stopping it as quickly as possible. I remember when we met, you told me that health for you is central and that you will be directly involved and that you will invest in health, and that's what I am seeing. And thank you so much for your commitment. So, Your Excellency, maybe I would be happy also to hear your views about the COVID situation in Madagascar. I would be happy to work with you closely and work in any way possible.
Oui, comme vous le savez, docteur Tedros, tous les pays sont actuellement touchés par cette pandémie qui est le coronavirus. L'objectif de chaque État, c'est vraiment de limiter sa propagation et de faire le moins possible de victimes. Et pour faire face à cette réalité, Madagascar a élaboré un protocole de traitement, un protocole d'observation clinique et un protocole d'essai clinique également. Et le premier protocole s'agissait en fait du traitement bithérapie associant la chloroquine et l'azithromycine. Ce traitement certainement a permis de traiter et de guérir les premiers malades atteints du coronavirus à Madagascar. Par contre, nous avons constaté des effets indésirables et des effets secondaires sur les patients traités par ce traitement. Ce traitement donc a présenté un risque potentiel de toxicité et qui a exigé une plus grande surveillance clinique. C'est pour cette raison que nous avons étudié et cherché avec nos chercheurs de trouver d'autres voies et moyens pour faire face à cette pandémie. Nous avons mis le deuxième protocole d'étude ou d'observation clinique sur la décoction ou le Covid Organics qui a été établi par nos chercheurs. Et donc, nous avons utilisé de l'artémisia ainsi que d'autres plantes médicinales malagasy. C'est notre médecine traditionnelle qui est connue et reconnue pour ses effets. Et actuellement, nous proposons un troisième protocole et un essai clinique associant deux médicaments injectables. Sur ce troisième protocole, nous avons travaillé jour et nuit et échangé également avec des professeurs chercheurs dans l'océan Indien, mais également avec des chercheurs et clinicien aux États-Unis. Vous savez, comme cette maladie n'a pas de frontières, et ce qui est important, c'est que cette maladie renforce également les liens d'amitié et de recherche du monde entier. Et donc, en réponse à cette invitation de l'OMS, nous acceptons de proposer le Covid Organics ou le tabac CVO et l'association des 2 médicaments injectables en tant que médicaments candidats dans le cadre du Solidarity Trial sous réserve l'adoption d'un accord de non-divulgation sur la formulation d'abord du Covid Organics que nous proposons actuellement.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. I have with me my chief scientist. Her name is Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, and she is leading the Solidarity Trial. First of all, thank you so much again for your leadership. As you rightly said, this COVID is now a global problem, and the contribution from all of us is very, very important. And especially leadership is really crucial. So I really appreciate you for that. Coming to the COVID situation, you have started taking actions early. And I think these measures are paying off. And continuing with the measures, especially a comprehensive package as you are doing, is very, very important. But considering the situation in other countries, yours is really, you're doing really well. Then on the COVID organic, first of all, the non-exposure, the confidentiality agreement, we will sign that. We can keep it confidential. And as you know, we have a traditional medicine unit, and the traditional medicine unit can be involved, can help you, and we can work with you also in refining the protocols and in helping you have a successful trial on that. And we're very glad that Comoros is part of it, Congo, DRC, Equatorial Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Tanzania, Chad, and many ECOWAS countries are joining. So the study on the COVID organic, we can support you on that too. And we can sign also the confidentiality agreement, as you rightly said, and we can help you to make it as scientific as possible. So when the results comes, it will be a result that can be accepted, globally.
Monsieur le directeur général, est-ce qu'il serait possible que l'OMS nous accompagne avec l'adoption d'un accord de non-divulgation également des 2 médicaments injectables que nous pouvons proposer, nos études que nous avons déjà plus d'1 mois aujourd'hui étudiées avec tous nos chercheurs dans le protocole d'essais cliniques pendant une durée de 1 mois.
We welcome the opportunity to work with you, and we will help you in refining where the protocol needs some refinement, and to also work with you and with the other countries to have agreed to join you. And then we will also sign the confidentiality agreement for 1 month, which you said, and we would be happy to work on those issues together. And we would be happy to partner with you on this. So the only thing I will ask you then is, from your side, if you assign colleagues, then from our side, we have our chief scientists. They discuss and they can work on how they can proceed from there.
Merci, Monsieur le directeur général. En effet, nous faisons face à un ennemi commun qui est le coronavirus. Et Madagascar est très engagé là-dessus. On veut participer pleinement pour d'abord sauver notre peuple, mais aussi aider les pays amis. Et c'est pour cette raison que je vous remercie pour votre compréhension et de votre soutien.
Thank you so much for this very productive discussion today. And as you rightly said, together against COVID.
Hello,
My name is Saqib Hamid, the CMO of Dad.org. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to install and use the Dad.org app. We have launched a new website, and with it, we are launching the app as well. So it's very important that you get the gist of this. So, you first of all go onto the Dad.org website, dadorg.com. Sometimes you will get a privacy notice. Just click I accept and you can continue to use the website. Then it's super easy to install the app. All you need to do is roll all the way down to the bottom. And here you can see there is a little green Android symbol next to the word download. You just click on him. And now it's downloading, and now it's opening this APK file. Now, it is important before you do this to disable your security settings on your phone, because you may face difficulties. Of course, you can put the settings on back after installing this. This is not harmful. So it's asking me here in Danish if I want to install the application. I just click install. So now we are good to go. It's installing, and now it's installed, so we are going to open. And now I have the privacy setting when opening the app. So I just click I accept. And there. Nice and easy. And just to show you on the phone, this is what it looks like. You can see the Dad.org logo just shining there. I can click on that and it launches the app. So there you have it. It's swift, secure, and easy. Dad.org, transforming lives.
Go to Dad.org. Dad.org will distribute all the love you can have in bed.